48 hours, Sichuan Province in southwestern China has been engulfed by one of its most ferocious natural disasters, as relentless monsoon downpours have liquefied mountains into apocalyptic mudflows, burying villages, obliterating roads, and trapping thousands in a nightmarish deluge. From the rugged peaks of the Tibetan Plateau's edge to the fertile valleys below, millions of tons of rock, soil, and water have cascaded down like a biblical reckoning, flattening everything in their path. Peaceful hamlets turned to muddy graveyards, bridges snapped like twigs, farmlands poisoned under meters of sludge. Early tallies show over 200 dead, 500 injured, and 100,000 displaced as of October 2nd, 2025. Our hearts break for Sichuan's resilient people, facing this fury alone in remote terrains. Before we descend into this muddy abyss, subscribe and enable notifications for unflinching disaster coverage that uncovers the truth. Infrastructure, Sichuan's fragile backbone lies in tatters. The G318 highway, China's vital Sichuan-Tibet artery, vanished in stretches. Asphalt peeled away like banana skins, leaving 50-meter chasms that strand convoys and sever supply lines to remote Tibetan enclaves. Bridges over the Tuojiang, engineered for quakes but not this deluge, collapsed mid-traffic, plunging vehicles into roiling rapids, dozens presumed lost. Power grids, already quake-prone, shorted out in cascades, blacking out 70% of affected counties and leaving hospitals on diesel fumes where ventilators gasp for the silt-choked ill. Water systems ruptured, contaminating reservoirs with debris and sewage. Health officials declare a cholera alert, urging iodized purification amid 200,000 without clean H2O. Agricultural devastation compounds woe. 100,000 hectares of rice and corn drowned under 2-meter mud layers, forecasting famine risks for 500,000 farmers and inflating national grain prices. A lifetime's harvest gone in a gulp, laments a Tuojiang grower, knee-deep in his poisoned fields as drones survey the brown wasteland. China's response erupts in coordinated frenzy. The People's Liberation Army deploys 10,000 troops with amphibious vehicles and excavators, airlifting supplies via Mi-17 helicopters to cut off valleys like those in Pingwu County, where landslides dammed rivers into impromptu lakes, threatening burst floods. The China Meteorological Administration issues red alerts, while the Ministry of Emergency Management mobilizes 50,000 volunteers for door-to-door searches, using thermal drones to detect heat signatures under mud tombs. Thank you for watching. We deliver in-depth analysis of nature's fiercest phenomena. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell for future updates. Note, some footage is illustrative. See you next time. Stay safe and informed.
Hoa lô又变成海了。